Last day of school and I'm feeling kind of silly.
Okay, let's tell some jokes.
What do you call an American bee that likes electronics?
What?
A USB.
My turn. Have you heard about the two marathon runners that started dating?
No.
They were long distance.
I went to a restaurant that said they ordered breakfast at any time, so I ordered scrambled eggs during the Renaissance.
That was a good one. I also have a good one.
Okay.
My friend's the cheapest person, but I'm not buying it.
That's a good one. My turn. Someone stole my mood ring. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
That was a good one. What's a snake's favorite subject in school?
What?
History.
What's the best part about living in Switzerland?
What?
I don't know, but the flags applause.
Those are some good jokes.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening.